Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we show you how you can animate controls such as buttons or text fields using a script. First of all, it is important that the control is activated for use in scripts and has a name. After double-clicking a button, you can select the control you want to animate in the script tree on the right-hand side in the Controls category. There, you select the Animate block. In the Animate building block, you can choose various animation effects and the number of repetitions. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.